Hi guys, today we will learn how to solve a 3x3 under 30 seconds using CFOP. So let's begin. Cross, F2N, Berlin, PLN. Advanced case number 1, in which the edge piece which has to be inserted in cross is over the center piece, just like this. Then you have to do this. And the edge piece will be inserted. Then you have to do the same for the others. Just move it down, move it to the side, bring it up and insert it back. Then we have to do it for the other edge also. Advanced case number 2, in which the edge piece which we have to insert in the slot is somewhere in the F12 slots. Then you have to bring the empty slot of the cross to where it can be inserted easily. Then rotate, insert and bring it back where it should be, and then the cross will be completed. Now you all probably at this point were thinking that why I didn't show the basic cases and just started from the advanced one. Well, the basic cases I have already explained in my previous 3x3 tutorial, and if you want to see that tutorial, then I will put the link of it in the descriptions below. If you want to be notified whenever in future I upload a new video, then make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. Case number 1, in which the edge piece of the F12 slot is in the top layer and the corner piece of the F12 slot is also in the top layer, but the face of the corner which has to be pointing towards the cross is facing top. Then move the side of the edge piece which is facing towards you to the matching center piece, then hide it like so. Then move the corner above it so that it can pair, and then undo that first move. Then you will see that both the corner and edge is paired, and then insert in a easy way. Second case, in which the corner and the edge are in the top layer, but the color which is facing towards the top of both the edge and the corner is the same. Then do this. Just hide the corner, pair with the edge. Let me show it again. Hide the corner, pair with the edge, just like so. Then insert it in the similar way as before. The third and the most easiest case of all is that in which both the corner and the edge are in the top layer, but the color which is facing up are not the same. Then you have to do this move so that they can pair and insert it like so. And if the case is mirrored, then you can do the same thing with the left hand, but here I have got only the right-handed cases.